Let's learn about a variable in Kotlin. So we can assign a variable within a Kotlin within a way with the help of VAL, and another way is VAR. A basic difference between both is it is immutable. That means if we assign any variable, then we can't reassign. Means it is only a read only difference. And within a mutable, it's object we want to create, that means we need to change data, so we use val, var, and it can be reassigned. If we go to our code and then do uh, let's make a variable with the help of val, give the name, and we use this and tell my variable is a string type, and we will use test, and then just we give name, and here you can see that I have get one error that when cannot be reassigned, and if I change to var, and it's remove that error, and it's give that you can't use that. So that's a basic difference between both. So yeah, thanks for watching.